What is going on, everyone? Got another unboxing here for you. This is the Seasonic Prime Titanium 850W Modular Power Supply. And it comes with a 12-year warranty. So let's go around the box real quick. Anybody see English on there? And moving right along to the side of the box, I actually have to do it kind of sideways because it's so shiny that it's reflecting my camera and you'll never be able to see those specs. Got some more specs listed on this side. Quick look at the back of the box. Looks like the usual paperwork, a little booklet, and the user's manual. Inside this bag, there were some contents. I went ahead and dumped those out there, and we'll go over them. I'd like to also add this has a nice logo on it, and it's a nice quality bag, too. Comes with some mounting screws here and a couple of stickers. I believe this one might actually even be like a magnet or something. It's a little thicker. You get zip ties with it for permanently mounting cables. And what is this? Oh, and it comes with 5 of these Velcro thingies for more cable management. Thanks, Seasonic. Comes with this heavy-duty power plug, and I recommend you only use this one with this power supply if you end up purchasing this. So I went ahead and took everything else out of the box, and this little thing was in there, and what this is a power supply tester. So if you look down in there about where my thumb is, you can see 2 little pins, and they act as a jumper. This allows you to perform like a basic power supply test on your power supply. So I might do some how-to videos with that power supply tester, or how to connect this stuff and things like that. So if you'd like to see something like that, leave comments below. So something else I noticed here that I wanted to share, it says here high power consumption graphics cards above 225 watts. Do not use just a single line with like an extension off of it there to connect your graphics card. They're meant to be connected like individually, as you can see that one there. So just like a little word of caution, if you get this power supply, just be sure to take a look at this. Looks like they put the power supply in this nice velvet bag. Yes, this power supply was in that bag, and in the other bag were all these cables. So let's take a look at this power supply. So I'm going to go around the power supply in just a moment, but I did want to mention that with this being a modular power supply, you do not need all of these cables connected at one time. You only need to connect the cables that you're going to use, so that allows for better cable management inside your tower or your computer case. Not having all those additional cables hanging out of the power supply really helps with space inside your case. So just taking a look at the front of it here where you connect all your cables, you can see you have lots of options available. And just working our way around to the back of this power supply, more logos there and stuff. So you got your power switch on and off on the back here, and you have hybrid mode. You can turn that on and off, which basically shuts the fan on and off. So here's a look at this side of the power supply. So just taking a look at those stickers there on the side, that one's upside down, and if I look over here, that one's right side up. So you do have different options as far as mounting this power supply inside your computer case. I really don't know what more to say about this modular power supply, except I absolutely love it. I mean, it's 80+ titanium certified. It utilizes micro tolerance load regulation, cable-free design. It allows for premium hybrid fan control. You can connect multiple GPUs to this, like 3 or 4 video cards with no trouble at all. Comes with that 12-year warranty or a life expectancy of up to 50,000 hours, which is about 5 years or so. Anyway, if any of you are interested in a power supply like this, or even this one, I'm going to put a link in the description below to Amazon. Feel free to click that link and go see what the current price is of this particular power supply. Now, this is the Prime 850 titanium. There's also the 1000 titanium and the 650 and the 750. So maybe you don't need one quite as large as this one, or maybe you want the 1000-watt version one. All I know is they are premium quality power supplies, probably one of the absolute best power supplies out there. So that pretty much ends the video. Leave comments below, guys. Hit the like button if you like this video and share it, and I'll see you all on the next one.